Hello guys, this is Zach Burkle, and today I'm going to be showing you guys actually some CSS. I said in the last video that in this one I'm going to go through a whole bunch of these tags for adding content. I decided that since I'm doing it with HTML and CSS, I should alternate languages each video. Tell me what you guys think of that. I think it's a pretty cool idea, but I don't know what you think, so just put it in the comments. So first of all, I'm going to put an asterisk, which is symbolizing like everything. It does symbolize everything. And then I'm going to go down and I'm going to say in here margin. And I'm going to explain this in a second again. I'm going to set this actually as 2 pixels. You can change that to however many pixels you want. This is just what I'm using. So basically this is telling that everything in the website is going to have a margin of 2 pixels. And I'm going to also do body or HTML body, but it doesn't matter what order you do it in. Yeah, sorry, again, I can't see my keyboard very well. If I said that in the last episode, I'm pretty sure I did. I'm going to say height equals 100%. So that's telling it that it's going to take up the entire page. I don't know why it wouldn't, but that's just what it's supposed to do. So I'm going to say, sorry. I think I have a bit of a cold, but, so yeah, now that we're done with that, this is where, like, actually we're going to do stuff. So, say I want to make all my paragraphs have the color orange. You say color orange. Right now, I'm going to actually, I'm going to do orange. I think it has to be in quotes. I typically don't actually do it. Wait, no, I'm just going to try orange. I don't really use this to style that much stuff. With that type of stuff, I know how to do it, but I just don't do it very much. So that's why, if you're wondering, like, why can't he do anything and he's teaching you how to do it, that's the reason. I do know it, though. See, now everything's orange. So yeah, that's good. This thing, I'm not sure why that's showing up. I was trying to figure that out last time, but I'll fix it and show you next time. I don't know. I have to look at the code. It's probably just like a tiny thing that I did wrong. So one thing that some people hate about coding is that if you like put like a curly bracket in the wrong place, it'll like screw everything up. So yeah, so now this is something that took me actually a while to figure out. But so say I want to have only some of the paragraph be orange. I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to say p dot orange or whatever I want to call it. Doesn't matter what I call it. This is a variable here now. And then we're going to say this. And then I'm going to say color orange. And so then, once I save that, I can go into P, because that's what it's under. You can do this to H. Since I haven't taught you any of the other tags yet, but there's like H1, which is heading 1. Stuff like that you can do with all of them. I'm using a paragraph right now. But so I'm going to do class orange. And that's whatever the is after the dot. So if I were to put watch, then I'd have to put watch there. And you don't do anything to the ending tag. Okay. So then it's still there again. If you're wondering why the font changed, it's because I had a font thingy here. We go like font, face. Yeah, I'll teach you guys that some other time. And then I saved it, and I hadn't saved after I changed it. So that might be why because now it's back to normal size. So that's probably, it might be due to the font. But yeah, so you can also, with CSS, if you want a background image. So maybe I want to have a background image for the whole thing, which is what I kind of want right now. Then I would, one second, sorry about this. Okay. I just have a list of stuff that I'm supposed to say. Not exactly what I'm supposed to say, but yeah, basically what I'm supposed to say. So if I say I want to have a background color, I can say, one moment, sorry about this. Okay, yeah. So I just have like I said, I have a list of what I want to say. So background dash a color. If I want to have a color, I'm going to teach you color first. And then maybe in one of the episodes, I'll actually teach you guys how to make like a cool background using like, I don't know, Photoshop or GIMP or something, because a lot of people don't have Photoshop. But so maybe I don't know. Tell me what you guys think about that idea. And then I'm gonna say for whatever color I want. So say I want the background to be blue. Say that. And you can also use HTML color codes here. So I do like, if I want it to be all white, I would go, and that's the color code for white. FFF, FFF, I think that's 6 Fs. It's supposed to be 6 Fs, so I can't remember. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yay! Yeah, but I'm just gonna do, actually I'm gonna try gray. Why not? Then I'm gonna save that. The reason I'm not using key commands to save it is because I'm on a Mac, like I said in previous episode. See, now it's all gray. Oh, wait, you can't see it, sorry. There we go. So that's pretty cool. But I'm on a Mac. I said in the last episode that I'm on a Mac, and the key commands aren't like Command, Q. I could use, and they are Control, but it's really annoying for me, and I always screw them up because I'm not used to doing that. If I wanted to, I could. But yeah. So, I'm not sure if this is ironic that it just changed like that. I was like, I want to see if that's something with this, because no, it didn't. I thought that it was because it's orange. That may have been because of that, because it was saying orange. It wasn't, though, but that would be kind of cool. So, I think so. Maybe I want to have the paragraphs. I'll have a margin of 10 pixels. And then I think I have to phone down here. Yeah, it seems like I don't know anything. I do. I've made, if you want to see my website, you can go check it out. I'll put the link. Actually, here, I'm going to write the link right here if you want to see it. Go to that website if you want to see my website. It's not completely done, though. But I have worked on other websites as well. So, that's not my first one. But yeah, so I'm just going to save that. Actually, I'm going to try to use the key command. And I did. Oh, okay, yeah, I remember why I couldn't do that. Because actually it opened something else up on my computer to do that. But, yeah. So, okay, so yeah, if you want to check it out, you can, but it's not done. But you can still check it out. There's some bugs and stuff. But, yeah, so then, now that I saved that, I'm going to open up this, go here. And what I even do, yeah, now it has a margin of 10 pixels. So, yeah, you can all mess around with that if you want. And I don't know what I should do in the next episode. I'll probably go back to HTML. But, yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. This is Zach Perkle signing off.